Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I promised you guys some recipe videos because if you've been watching some of my other videos, then you guys know that Joe and I are doing the Whole30. So Joe and I used to never really cook a lot. Like, we're not like very good chefs. I don't know, like it's just never been our thing. But with the Whole30, we kind of had to get a little creative with our recipes, so it kind of got us to try different things, which I was really excited about. That being said, we're still super like pressed for time. We don't have a lot of time to make these meals. For those of you who are new to my channel, I have a 5-month-old daughter, so it's just hard to like spend a lot of time in the kitchen. So that's why we already had the Whole30 book, but then we also bought the Whole30 Fast and Easy recipe book. All of those recipes are like super simple to make. They don't take a very long time. And last week, so today is actually day 7 right now when I'm filming this. Last week we made one recipe that was just absolutely delicious. It was my favorite recipe by far, and it did come out of that book. It's a really quick and easy shrimp over cauliflower rice with some veggies, and it's so tasty. So if you want to see how to make it, then keep watching. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the cauliflower rice. So this is the recipe that we're making. Lemon garlic shrimp and veggies, so delicious. The only thing we don't do is the peppers. I don't know, I'm not a pepper fan. So you basically just have a cauliflower and you're just gonna rinse it off. Rinse it off with water. You could put a little dish soap on it if you wanted to, but it's up to you. I think this one was organic. It said in the package.
It was.
Yeah, this one was at Publix and it said that it's organic. I had never made cauliflower rice from scratch. I had always like bought it in the freezer section and then like just heated it up, and it was super easy. But this was also really easy, just making it from scratch, and it actually tasted a lot better. So you're just gonna peel away the green stuff, and then when you get to the point where you can't peel anymore, you're just gonna take a knife and you're just gonna chop this part off. So we have this KitchenAid food processor that we've had forever, and basically you're just gonna be sticking the little pieces inside here. So babe, this is how big they have to be. And then you stick them in here and then you push down with this piece. So, all right, so he's gonna be chopping them over here, and as he goes chopping them, I'm gonna start putting them in here. Let's see. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this on low. And obviously you can make it higher if you need to. And then you're just gonna stick that in and it's gonna cut it up.
You want it a bit bigger?
Or you can take that whole thing out and just put them in. Perfect. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Now you can open this up and you have your rice. So that is what the rice looks like. And now we're just gonna put it in a Tupperware until we're ready to cook it later. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you liked watching us make this. If you like these kind of cooking videos, let me know down in the comments. And if you have done the Whole30 before and you have any like tips for me or any advice, leave them down in the comments too. And I will also link to like my previous Whole30 videos. I've done like a bunch of food hauls, just showing you guys what we pick up at the store. And then I've also been keeping like a diary of what I've eaten. So definitely check those out if you're interested in doing the Whole30 yourself. But that's it. So if you did like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new around here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.